Vision Telangana Association, NRIs America, I think you have a very important role to play, because last 8 months there's no vision, just Telangana is going on. People have sacrificed life, young boys have sacrificed life, and there was a lot of debate before Telangana that saying what will happen to Telangana. Telangana will not be a feasible state. But I have a firm belief that Telangana is one state which can be in the first 5 in the country. No one can stop Telangana. Even after a lot of delaying and all these things, NRIs have to play a very important role. You know, you have a vision from a small village or from some city of Hyderabad or from XYZ cities. You have gone all over the world, traveled all over the world. The vision, the knowledge you acquire is very important for us. You know, I was on an IDP in 2001. I still remember when I went to a software park, they have a incubator, software incubators. We went to 3-4 incubators. When they came to know that I am from India, they used to come and kiss on my forehead. You brilliant people. This is the Indian value in life. You come from a brilliant background. This is the value of Indians. Why can't we do the same thing in Hyderabad? Why can't you NRIs? You have one business programs running over there, and you have very important tool, that is social media today. If something is going wrong, the whole association or NRIs association, you can bombard these politicians who are not doing anything. You know, 1,300 boys have committed suicide. What is happening to them? No one knows. No one cares. Everyone is busy in his own seat. Power. We'll have a lot of problems in power. Not much is being done for power. So what we have to do, set up incubators. There are a lot of fundings from government. Even Government of India is available. What India is going to face in 2030 is a very big challenge for everyone. You know, all of you mostly come from agriculture background. We have 5 acres of land and 5 children. What will one child do with 1 acre of land? Nothing. This is all fake employment being created in this country. By 2030, in one of the surveys, 50 crores Indian will be unemployed. And India will be one country which is younger to China by 10 years. Our average age will be 29 years old and China will be 30 years old. What is the vision for employing all these people? I am sure out of this 50 crores, 2-3 crores will be from Telangana. What is our vision? If we go on just by populist scheme, as Mr. Vidkumar has rightly said, all going by populist scheme, nothing on ground, nothing. Even the central government, nothing is happening. We have a huge, from $120, the oil prices have come down to 55, 45, all this thing, but no, not much of progress. You may go for verbatim things, but actual development should be overall development of the society, including scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, minorities. They will account for a major unemployment by 2030. If these people, SCs, STs, BC, and minorities, if they are not given employment, they can be a potential big threat for the whole nation. India will be overtaking China. India will go near USA. We have so much of power and we have so much of strength. But where is the willpower? Where is the vision with the politicians? If educated people, not self-interested people, people with interest to the society come forward, join together like what? American NRIs, European NRIs, we can transform this country. We can overtake America, we can overtake China. Just imagine our carpenters, our plumbers, I'm not talking about engineers or doctors, our BEd teachers, our nurses doing wonderful job and skill development and earning more than a doctor or an engineer. Let us come together. You may belong to some party, I may belong to some party. Forget about party, let us work for next 5 years and see that Telangana becomes a reality. Thank you very much.